This is Tiffany from Carvello Crochets. Let's do a weekend recap of the 11 orders vlog. This is a crazy weekend. Good morning. We are up. We are putting the sleeves onto our cardigan, passenger princess cardigan, because this baby is heading out today. This is order number 9, and I am feeling so good about finishing this order. I had a really great evening last night, going out to get some ramen with my friend. I am going through a transition. That is a very interesting time. It's so hard crocheting through this camera, but I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Okay, yes. Which is a transition, but it's okay. It happens. I think we figured it out. It's really important to me that the bottom seam goes under the arm. So I just want to make sure that I'm getting that right, lining this up perfectly. Yep. All right, there we go. We'll do one more slip stitch here. Boom, like that. And then we're going to start working on the sleeve. Is now the time? Yep, now's the time. Okay. But yes, so just getting this thing finished. Just getting this thing finished off. I'm also going to try to finish the bomber cardigan today. It actually doesn't matter if I finish it today or not, because I'm not going to be able to mail it. My mailers don't come in until Saturday. So I would like to finish it and send it to her just so I can get her feedback on if she wants me to change anything. But yeah, that's going to be done today. And we love that for us. So yeah. So now I'm just going to keep going all the way around. Today is a good day. I'm going to finish this order. I'm going to take some really good pictures and videos and find another idea, a TikTok idea or a real idea that I can use to, promote this piece. Find another video that I can use to promote this piece. And then I'm going to continue working on orders. And I have grading to do today as well, because it is still a work day. It is currently 10:16. So I would like to start work around 12 and finish around 5. I am going out to, I think, dinner or a speakeasy tonight to celebrate my friend who it was her first week at work. So very excited about that. So I'm going to do that later on tonight. But today, my goal is to finish, excuse these nails. These nails need to get done real bad. Finish this, mail it off. Finish the bomber, mail it off. Do one skein of the big mocha cardigan. And then also finish the green hat. I did the green hat while I took the train to get ramen yesterday. I started it. So I'm like, I think 20 rows in, and I just have to do 22 left. I also put up a video and a picture in the last video wondering if I should come out with a hat beanie. A beanie pattern on my Etsy shop called the Never Basic Beanie pattern. I think I'm going to do it because I've made 5. I've made a total of 3 beanies. So 4 beanies, because I made the unicorn and the mocha hat, and then I made the black and the blue hat. since I've made those 4 hats, I'm like, yo, this is a very easy pattern. I don't have a basic beanie pattern, but you know, because it's Carvello Crochets, it's never basic. And that's where I got the name, Never Basic Beanie Pattern. And yeah, so I think I want to do that. One thing I need to do in order to do that is record what do I need to record? I need to record myself putting the sewing in the stitches, sewing in the top of the stitches. So I can do that. I'm gonna make sure I bring this contraption I'm using right now, but I can do that this weekend. And honestly, if I bring my laptop with me, I can have that pattern out by Sunday, because it's literally that simple. It does not take that much work. Come on. Thank you. All right. So yeah, we're finishing this bad boy up. We are going to, and then we're going to go to the post office because it's a Friday. We're going to finish the matrix hood, the 5 hats, the Ariel's crown, matrix hood, 5 hats, Ariel's crown, and the bomber jacket. So 4 things will be going out on Monday, and that's what we're working on this weekend. I'll talk to you again a little bit later. I do have a few more things I want to say and talk about in terms of the business, and then we are going to and then we're going to enjoy our evening. And then this weekend is just the weekend recap. I am traveling home, so that'll be fun for you guys to see a little bit of like my home life. Not my home life, I guess my family life, more so than my home life. So you'll get to see a little sneak peek of that. And yeah, so yay. So I didn't immediately go to the post office. Instead, my nail tech told me that she could do my nails, and y'all saw how my nails looked in the previous video. So I went to my nail tech to get my nails and my feet done. Here is the inside of it. Shout out to She Nailed It, my boo Jerry. Thank you, mamas. My nails look amazing. I am working and I'm getting my nails done at the same time. It is crazy. So I took everything with me so that I could pack this order, and Jerry was like, I have to try this on. Like, please let me try it on. And I was like, okay, you could try it on. Here's her reaction, y'all. I just gotta get the reaction. Oh my God. So cute. No, I'm not even exaggerating. Oh like how this feels on your body. No. This is insane, Tiffany. I wish I was being This is so cute. I love that.
I can put on my shoes now, right?
I really wish I was being extra about this, but no.
It's everything.
Okay. All right.
It's everything.
All right. I hope she's really happy.
She is going to be
I
very
hope
happy.
she's really happy. Oh my gosh. So I did make it to the post office on time. I was able to ship it priority because waiting a whole week for a cardigan is insane. Here's the video I put together. It's on my social media, and that's how many cakes it took to make that cardigan. So after catching up with some of my neighbors, I got dressed and I'm heading to dinner at Stan's. The food is amazing, but I will not be going back, and I will not be telling you why. It's a Black-owned business. So I spent the morning working on the bomber. This video I'm going to use for a tutorial later, so that's why I took off the audio. But I worked on seaming up the ends, which I am doing it in a new way that I haven't seen yet, to account for women whose back measurements is significantly smaller than their front measurements, which basically means they have their boobs are large. It just basically means that their boobs are large. So once I did this, I'm going to send the client a video so that she can confirm the design before I put the sleeves on. And this is what happens next. Hey love, good morning. I wanted to show you your cardigan so far. Wow. I just realized something. This is what I have. If you don't like it, I'm gonna fix it because I think the back is actually supposed to have the gray and the white column going up the back too. And I'm just realizing it just now that I'm saying this. So let me know what you think. If you want me to change it, I will, because it didn't take me that long to do this. But yes, the sleeves, the measurements, I think it all looks good, but just let me know if you want me to actually do the panels the way you asked me to. But yes, I hope you like it. So the client responded and said that that was not what she asked for and did ask me to fix it. So I do have to undo it and start over. Her design that she wanted is not what I created, and it's important to me to give my customers what we want. You're seeing this picture because this is what my Saturday to Sunday looked like. I traveled from Maryland to Delaware to New Jersey to Brooklyn, New York, back to New Jersey, and then back to Maryland in the span of 2 days. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So you know I didn't get that much done. But here's a quick, real picture of all the people and things I got to do. So, funny story. I am up. It is about 6 a.m. on a Sunday. I went to bed around 1 because I was working on a few orders. And yeah, my mom and grandmom needed me to pick them up from New York because they were getting off of a cruise and needed a way home. They had concepts of a plan. And so this is me just getting myself ready, putting on my sunscreen, just trying to get myself together. I look so tired, poor baby. And yeah, this was the craziest day ever because even after picking them up, they wanted to sit down and eat breakfast. Like, no. I have work to do, you guys. I have work to do. So it was just a crazy morning, but they got home safely. I traveled to Brooklyn and back to New Jersey. All is well. Go Birds. Yeah. So now here I am at the cruise ship waiting for them to come. You know I brought yarn with me. I am sitting in my car waiting for them to get there, and I am crocheting the Ariel's crown hat. This is order number 10. And so, yeah, I'm just going to wait. As I'm waiting for them, I'm going to use the time that I have to crochet and to get caught up on orders since I just drove for almost 2 hours to get them. Once we made it back home, we went to the movies to see Wicked, and now I can finally get back to orders. This is the Ariel's Crown Grand Eagles. To close out my evening, I made the back panel for my client the way that she wanted it. So I was very happy about that. Thanks for watching my weekend recap. Be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.